How to see and find your timeline on Google Maps. Hello guys, all what you have to do is easy. Go to Google Maps. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner, click on your profile picture. Now here you will find many options, and here is the your timeline option. Click on it, and right here you will find your timeline. As you can see, very easy and fast. You can find the trips, the insights, and the places and everything from here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later in the next video.